Today we will show you how to prepare a photo in an Instagram Square format right on your Android device. We know that Instagram posts should have a specific resolution. To complete this tutorial, you need to use the Photo and Picture Resizer app. Select the image you want to resize, tap Resize. Let's choose Custom Resolution. We will choose 1080 by 1080 pixels. That's the best resolution for Instagram posts. In this case, the aspect ratio is different. If you don't want the image to be distorted, you'll need to crop it. So tap Crop, adjust the frame, and then tap Crop again. As you can see, this app can quickly resize all the photos you need. If you want to start using the app right away, then follow the link in the description. That's it. We hope you found this tutorial useful. You can also subscribe to our channel or watch the other tutorial about creating a YouTube channel cover in our app.